My name is Miriam Campbell, and I'll be your guide through this exciting journey of e-commercepreneur millennial blueprint. This course serves as your step-by-step proven strategy for creating a profitable and sustainable e-commerce business in 180 days or less. This course has 7 modules, and each module has activities at the end of it for you to do. Let's go through the course. Like I said, my name is Miriam Campbell. I'm a course developer and senior trainer with American Internet Business School. I'm also the CEO of Fearless Netpreneur Magazine, a digital magazine for digital entrepreneurs. What will you learn in this course? Why this course? We're going to learn about what e-commercepreneurship is all about, and we'll be looking at 10 reasons that e-commercepreneurship is great for you. We'll also look at 10 different income streams in e-commerce, as well as the tools and resources that you need to be successful as an e-commercepreneur. After that, we'll go through the step how to set up your own seller account on a third-party e-commerce platform, and we will then follow that up with the step-by-step process to get started as an e-commercepreneur, what it takes to be successful, and finally the case study. Why this course? Why e-commercepreneurship Millionaire Blueprint? E-commercepreneurship course basically is a course that helps to guide you, and provide you with the skills and knowledge that you need to be able to succeed in this fast-paced online industry or the digital marketplace. And basically, it also gives you the training that helps you to start. It takes you through the start and growth of e-commercepreneurship, showing you also the other businesses that have leveraged the opportunities in the digital marketplace as well. Now let's go to module 1. Module 1, we will be looking at who an e-commercepreneur is. But before we define e-commercepreneur, let's look at the concept of e-commercepreneurship itself. E-commercepreneurship is an online income opportunity that combines e-commerce and entrepreneurship. Basically, it helps you to leverage your skills, entrepreneurial skills, to develop strategies and models that can help you to build a sustainable e-commerce business and grow with it, scale it as well. Anyone that wants to become an e-commercepreneur or wants to dabble or wants to go into the e-commerce space, basically they offer products and services online. So what that means is that your market is online, your product is online, you're not the traditional brick and mortar business, and they also offer products in different models, like your digital products, print on demand, drop shipping services, online stores, and they do this through different methods by selling on third-party e-commerce platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Jumia, or having their own e-commerce websites as well. So who is an e-commercepreneur? An e-commercepreneur is an entrepreneur that is able to build and operate his or her own business online and leverage the opportunities that is available in the digital market space. What are the key characteristics of an e-commercepreneur? The first thing that you notice about an e-commercepreneur is that they have that basic digital foundation, that would help them to have an understanding of the market, to be able to create products that their customers want, and then offer it to them through using different channels and models that ensures that a sale is achieved. Then the other thing is that an e-commercepreneur is someone that is able to scale their business. They grow their business over time. They are able to start from a small, low risk business and grow into something that is great. We have so many examples of that, like you have the Amazon, you have the Apple Store, you have eBay, you have Jumia, the African one, and you have Konga. So there are a lot of them. They start small and then they become international digital products. Another characteristic of an e-commercepreneur is that they're able to adapt, to changes, to advancements in technology based on, leveraging a lot of tools and other things like data analytics, and then using digital market strategies and to optimize their business operations and to grow and scale their business as well. Then lastly, an e-commercepreneur basically always focuses on customer experience because feedback from customers help them to have an understanding or an insight into the mind of their customers, know where the pain points are, and be able to adapt and leverage on that feedback to build and grow their business. So having this in mind, we will understand that we'll look at the reasons why e-commerce entrepreneurship has been able to grow and become popular. The first reason why this business type is popular is because it has a low barrier to entry. You don't. It has minimal risk, and you don't need a lot, to be able to start in this industry. You can start small and then scale. Remember that one of the key characteristics of an e-commercepreneur is scalability. So they can grow and scale over time, have easier access to the business. And the second one is the flexibility that this business offers. You can work from anywhere, you can work at any time, you can work using minimal and tools, so you can use from the comfort of your phone. You can use your phone, to do your e-commerce business. You don't need a lot of technical skills. You don't need a lot of money. You don't even need a lot of experience to be able to start your e-commerce business. And lastly, e-commerce entrepreneurship is popular because of its global reach. Because it's on the digital, it's a digital business, you operate online. So you are able to reach people all over the world and sell your products or services to them, and get revenue in different currencies of the world. So that basically is all about the first module, and what e-commerce entrepreneurship and who an e-commerce entrepreneur is. The activities for this module is a self-assessment where you have to evaluate your own traits and skills, and see how it aligns with e-commerce success, based on the key characteristics that we've talked about and the popularity. And if after doing that, you now look at which of those traits and skills you need to develop to be able to scale your business and grow over time. Thank you. Module 2, we'll be looking at the 10 reasons why e-commerce entrepreneurship is a great fit for you. Stay tuned. Welcome to Module 2 of the e-commerce entrepreneur Millennial Blueprint course. In this course, we're going to learn about the 10 reasons that e-commerce entrepreneurship is a great business for you. But before we go into that, let's look at a recap of Module 1. In Module 1, we were able to define e-commerce entrepreneurship and who an e-commerce entrepreneur is. We looked at the key characteristics of e-commerce entrepreneur, and then we also looked at 3 reasons why e-commerce entrepreneurship is popular. Let's look at the 10 reasons why e-commerce is a good fit for you. The first reason is the opportunity that it provides you. It gives you the opportunity to be able to develop digital skills, skills like website management, online marketing, data analysis, insight, customer experience, customer service skills as well. And you can make use of these skills, it's for life, it's transferable and all that. Then the second reason is it has a low barrier to entry for anyone that wants to venture into the e-commerce space, whether you are a successful person or a successful business owner or an aspiring entrepreneur. Unlike the traditional business that requires significant capital and resources, e-commerce, allows you to start small and then grow as you go along in your business. You can make use of different platforms for your business, platforms like Shopify, platforms like Jumia, Ponga, Etsy, Amazon, AliExpress, and a whole lot of them. And also this platform also provides you with tools that you can use as well. The third reason is that you are able to start small with minimal investment and then scale and grow from there. You can also, by starting small, in some cases, you don't even need to have inventory, like in dropshipping and print on demand. You don't need to have inventory. You just need to be able to know what the customer wants and provide it for them. Another reason is that e-commerce is flexible. It gives you that flexibility and the high earning potential to be able to do your business from anywhere at any time, using the internet. Basically, you can use your phone or your computer or devices to make that happen. The fifth reason is you can balance your current job with other commitments. So it's not as if it's going to be it consume all of your time. So it could be a part-time thing that you're doing. It could be your side hustle. It could be a family business. It could be a full-time venture. So it's left to your own discretion how you want to do it. So the sixth reason why e-commerce is good for you is it requires low physical effort. You are not renting a space. You are not buying a vehicle to move your products around. You're not employing too many people, processes and all of that. So basically, all of your duties and responsibilities and activities as an e-commercepreneur is done online. So what you need are those digital skills that will help you to grow. The seventh reason is this provides you supplementary income and helps you to build a retirement plan. You can decide when you want to retire. You can begin to start planning for your retirement because of the income that the this business provides for you, and it also gives you its financial security and flexibility to be able to build a long-term business. Number eight, we have many e-commerce platforms. You don't require technical skills unlike other businesses or knowledge. You don't require so many business skills. You can work, you can start your business just the way you are with the little digital knowledge that you have, your social media knowledge and all of that. You can use it to start your business. And main thing you need is your computer and very good internet. Those two, once you have those two things, then you're good to go. Then number nine, you are able to reach a wider audience and sell to anybody from any part of the world at any time of the day, and they will buy from you. And the 10th one, which is the final reason, is that you are able to build and sustain wealth across generations. You can plan long term, you can do transfer your business, build business for your children, which they can leverage on, and you can offer them a legacy that they can build on as they grow. So these are the 10 reasons why e-commerce or e-commerce entrepreneurship is great for you as a business owner. Our activity or assignment for you today in this module is your reason for becoming an e-commerce entrepreneur. What are your reasons for becoming an e-commerce entrepreneur? So you have to evaluate the 10 reasons that we've talked about in this module, and then identify the ones from those 10 that are your own reasons, or if you have another one aside from those 10, just let us know. Thank you for joining us in module 2. Module 3, we will be looking at 10 different income streams in e-commerce entrepreneurship. Thank you.